guys, thanks for joining me for another episode here in my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing asparagus and cream cheese stuffed chicken breasts. So to start this recipe, we're going to take our chicken breast and slice it in half, keeping one side intact. Now I'm going to take our chicken breast and we're going to rub it with salt and pepper and garlic on the inside and the outside of the chicken. Taking one chicken breast, we're going to open it up. We're going to add one portion of our divided cream cheese, and we're going to add 3 to 4 stalks of asparagus. We're going to fold that over. And using a toothpick, we're going to hold the chicken breasts in place. From here, we're going to preheat the oven on broiler, and we're going to put it on a low broil setting. While that's heating up, we're going to add ghee to a hot skillet and place the chicken breast in it. And we're going to cook each side for about 6 to 7 minutes for a total of 14 to 15 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken breast. And once it looks like it's about ready, we're going to take that out and place it into a baking pan. And we're going to add our marinara sauce and our shredded mozzarella. Then we're going to put it into the oven, and for about 5 minutes we're going to let it broil, and the cheese will start to melt and start to bubble. And once it has that nice golden brown color, we can remove it from the oven. Then we're all good to go, guys. Let it cool, serve, and bon appetit. Alright guys, so that concludes our recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please leave a comment below if you decide to try this recipe. Let me know what you thought of it, how it tastes, and if you try a different combination. Maybe you want to do spinach and cream cheese. Let me know comments below. Until next time, bye.